gonna try to put a fuel pump back in this thing and battery. Got a battery. So if you can't get it running. This used to belong to my grandfather. He passed away in 2011, and it's really been sitting here ever since. Hasn't really moved. Some meth heads broke into it a few years ago. I broke out the windows, and they stole a CB and some other stupid crap. They stole the fuel pump for some reason, but it's a nice old truck. It's got a 454 in it. It belongs to my uncle now. Hopefully he does something with it. I hate to see it sitting any longer. Let's see, 2012 was the last tag. It was sitting a while before that. See, we got moss growing on the bumper there. Yeah. It'd be a good old truck. I'm gonna throw this fuel pump in here in a minute and see if we can't get it running on a boat tank. Cleaning the seat out, I found a buddy. It's a pretty little tree frog. There's the 454. Fortunately, the battery tray's gone. I don't know what that goes to. It's not locked up though, so that's good. Well, I'm gonna try to get it running, but unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to run it off of the pump because I didn't realize that whoever stole the fuel pump, the little meth heads took the plug and the little push rod that goes in below it that actually activates the pump, so we're gonna have to get that too. But this carburetor is incredibly clean. Nothing's gotten into there, which is a good thing. So I might use this and just squeeze some fuel in there manually, like with a boat tank or something. I guess the AC's not gonna work. Somehow this tire's airing up. Try number 2. I didn't get it on camera, unfortunately, but I did get it moved over under this little cover, so hopefully rain and animal, well, I know insects and stuff are still going to get in there, but at least it's covered now. So I'm going to have to leave it for the time being until we get a push rod for the fuel pump that's missing.